In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email on Convertkit. Now, sending emails might seem like a simple task, but when you're doing it on a platform like Convertkit, it pays to know the ins and outs to ensure your message not only reaches its destination, but also makes the impact you're looking for. Whether you're reaching out to your subscribers, sharing news, or promoting a product, Convertkit offers a streamlined process to make sure your emails look professional and engaging. First things first, you'll need to log into Convertkit. If you've never used Convertkit before, you might not know where to start, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Begin by navigating to Convertkit's main page. You'll see the website is designed with a user-friendly interface, aiming to make your experience as seamless as possible. Once there, you're going to want to log into your account. You'll easily find the login page by looking for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. A click there will take you straight to the login form. In the login form, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure you use the email address associated with your Convertkit account to avoid any access issues. After entering your email, the next step is naturally to enter your password. This should be the password you chose when setting up your Convertkit account. Take care to enter it correctly to prevent any login hiccups. After entering your credentials, hit the login button to access your Convertkit dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. The dashboard is your command center for all things email marketing within Convertkit. From your dashboard, you're going to want to start the process of sending an email. Look for and click on the Send option. This is your gateway to create new email campaigns, also known as broadcasts in Convertkit lingo. Clicking on Broadcast will take you to a section where you can manage and initiate new email broadcasts. Here you'll find an option to start a new broadcast. This is what you'll want to select to begin crafting your message. As you click on New Broadcast, you might want to consider using a template for your email. Convertkit offers a range of templates to give your email a professional look and feel. Click on Templates to explore the available options. Selecting a template that aligns with your message's tone and intent can greatly enhance its effectiveness. With the template selected, it's time to write your email. Start by clicking on the subject line area to enter the subject of your email. This is crucial as your subject line often determines whether your email gets opened or not. Keep it clear, compelling, and concise. After penning down your subject line and composing your email content, you'll proceed by clicking on Continue. This takes you one step closer to your goal, sending out the email. Finally, after reviewing your email and ensuring everything is in tip-top shape, from the subject line down to the email body, you're ready for the last step. Locate and click on the Send Email button. This is it. With that click, your email is on its way to your subscribers' inboxes. Remember, sending emails through Convertkit is more than just typing and clicking send. It's about making a connection with your audience. So take your time to craft your messages thoughtfully, utilizing Convertkit's tools and features to their fullest. From choosing the right template to perfectly phrasing your subject line, every detail adds up to how your audience perceives and interacts with your email. Navigating Convertkit and using it to send emails efficiently can significantly contribute to your email marketing success. Whether you're just getting started or you're looking to refine your email marketing tactics, I hope this guide helps you on your journey. Thanks for watching. And here's to your email marketing success with Convertkit.